For this recipe, we are using 4 thin pork chops. Combine 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a quick mix to combine. Then season the pork chops on all sides. Now, in a shallow dish, add half a cup of all-purpose flour. Season the flour with a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, followed by a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix the flour to combine. Once the pork chops have been seasoned, dredge them in the seasoned flour. Shake the pork chops to remove any excess flour and set them aside. Now, set your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the cooking time to 10 minutes and let that preheat. Once the air fryer basket has been preheated, coat the basket with non-stick cooking spray. Transfer the pork chops to the air fry basket. Air fry the pork chops in batches as to not overcrowd the basket. Spray the pork chops with a little bit of cooking spray. Now, air fry them at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, flipping the pork chops halfway through. And after 10 minutes of total cooking time, your air fryer pork chops would look like this. The internal temperature of your pork chops should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish the pork chops with fresh parsley and let them rest for a few minutes before digging in. There you guys have it, the best air fryer pork chops. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah.